Hello, today we'll be doing humanity, and I have actually these two worksheets together, which is a constitution and the three branches. So I'm going to flip to the next slide so you can see where we're starting. So we're starting with the constitution. If you can look in your packet and follow along, and I'll read the questions at the end to you also. The United States needed a plan to make a strong central and national government. Before the colonies became a country, people could not choose their leaders. The people in the United States did not want a king. They wanted to vote for their leaders. The Constitution let people vote for their leaders. Now, the three branches. The people did not want the federal and central government to be too powerful. The Constitution divided the government into three parts: the legislative, which makes the laws; the executive, which carries out the laws; and the judicial part decides what the law means. No part of the government has more power than the other. So here are the three branches. The legislative is a Congress, the executive is a president, and the judicial is a courts. So here are your questions. There are 9 questions. Fill in the blank and multiple choice and true and false. So number 1, what did the United States need to make a stronger government? Number 2, what did the people of the United States did not want? Number 3, how did the United States want to appoint their leaders? Number 4, what was written in order to let the people vote? Number 5, what are the 3 branches? Number 6, what is the role of the legislative branch? Number 7, the judicial branch decides what laws mean. True or false? What branches carry out the laws? Is it A, legislative, B, executive, or C, judicial? Number 9, the judicial branch has the most power. True or false? So go ahead and answer these questions. Once you're done, if you can please upload them to Teams, or you can take a picture and send them to me and I can upload them for you. Please make sure that when you are done and take the picture or upload them, that it is clear and we are able to see the answers. So if you can just take a picture of the paper by itself, that would really work. So let's get started.